Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with DaVinci Resolve sign-in licensing, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with DaVinci Resolve sign-in licensing, begin by launching the DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Wait for the loading screen to finish and access the main user interface. If you haven't already created a DaVinci account, navigate to the Sign Up section on the DaVinci Resolve website. Fill in the required fields with accurate information, including your email address and password. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in your email to verify your account. Return to the DaVinci Resolve application and click on the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to enter the code sent to your mobile device. Once logged in, you may need to agree to any licensing agreements presented. After agreeing to the terms, the application will sync with your account. This will verify your licensing status, ensuring you have access to all features of DaVinci Resolve. If you encounter any errors during the sign-in process, double-check your internet connection. Make sure your email and password are entered correctly, as typos can prevent access. In case of persistent issues, visit the DaVinci Resolve support page for troubleshooting assistance. Once you have successfully signed in, explore all the tools and features available to you. Feel free to customize your workspace to enhance your editing experience. You are now ready to start your editing projects in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.